Hey everyone, we're going to be discussing the ASUS TUF Gaming H1 Gen 2 headphones today, and you're on the review channel. This new product in the gaming headset industry has just recently gone on sale, but gamers are already taking notice of it because of its distinctive blend of cutting-edge technology and ergonomic design. Let's test what makes this headset unique in more detail. The fundamental advantages of ASUS gaming headphones are embodied in the ASUS TUF Gaming H1 Gen 2. Its small sealed acoustic chambers and 40mm ASUS Essence drivers guarantee accurate sound reproduction with deep bass and crystal clear highs. This model is a discovery for anyone looking for high-quality sound and comfort because of the engineering solutions that promise to provide an immersive auditory experience. These headphones weigh only 297 grams and have a sturdy, lightweight design. They are therefore perfect for prolonged gaming sessions. The product's stability is increased, and a good fit is guaranteed by the metal headband's suspended structure. The eco-leather ear cushions are made to withstand wear and tear, and they are simple to remove for cleaning or replacement. Strict durability tests, such as up to 1,000 cleaning cycles with hydrochloric acid and alcohol, ensure that the ear cushions will continue to look and work well even after prolonged use. Additionally, the headphones have an illuminated TUF logo on the ear cups, which adds a fashionable touch and emphasizes their connection to ASUS's well-known gaming line. Mounted on a flexible rod, the non-detachable microphone guarantees dependability while in operation. Furthermore, easy modifications like volume control, microphone muting, virtual sound activation, and illumination customization are made possible via the 2-meter cord's integrated control panel. Compatibility is limited by the USB Type-A connector, though as the headset is incompatible with tablets and smartphones. Support for virtual surround sound in the 7.1 format is a significant improvement over the previous generation, especially in shooters and other games where spatial audio might give an advantage. This feature greatly increases immersion. The ASUS TUF Gaming H1 Gen 2 has exceptional sound quality, accurately capturing both high and low frequencies. The microphone does not have active noise-canceling capabilities, but it can transmit voice messages clearly in quiet settings. This might be a disadvantage in noisy environments, but it works well for voice chats and light games. It efficiently lowers certain background noise using a unidirectional pickup technique. The ASUS TUF Gaming H1 Gen 2 headphones provide outstanding value for their price range in spite of these drawbacks. They are perfect for gamers, music lovers, and moviegoers who value comfort and well-balanced acoustics. This headset is a formidable competitor in the gaming accessories industry because of its 40mm ASUS Essence drivers, sealed acoustic chambers, premium materials, and lightweight design. To sum up, for gamers looking for a premium, reasonably priced headset, the ASUS TUF Gaming H1 Gen 2 is a fantastic option. The headset's overall performance, durability, and immersive sound make it a worthy investment. Even though the microphone's lack of noise cancellation and its restricted platform compatibility may be disadvantages. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.